guys, Dan C. Bearded here from Volt Lifeproof Grooming's YouTube channel, and I want to talk about a rule that I believe will maximize the impact of your beard products in a positive way, and that rule would be always apply beard products to a damp beard. Not dry, not soaking wet, not dripping, a damp beard. Now, Volt offers some awesome products like their beard lube, aka their beard oil, or their beard balm. And this rule applies to both of these. And there's a couple of reasons why this is something that can really bring out the best results of your beard products. Let's talk about the beard oil first. When you have a damp beard, you're gonna get that oil into your skin. It's gonna lock in that nourishment, that hydration that you have on the skin, but especially it's gonna really help the hairs themselves. Your hairs that you have are porous. They have these little holes, these little cracks in them. And when you apply water, especially good fresh water at room temperature, we don't need cold, we don't need hot, apply it at room temperature, what that water is gonna do is it's gonna fill those porous holes and those cracks and really go in, and your hair is gonna suck all that water up. Now, when you go in and you apply beard oil and there's not too much water on there, right? We don't want it dripping on your shirt and on your towel and all that stuff. But when it's at that right level of dampness and you apply that beard oil, get it into the skin, really nourish the follicle, and then you work it throughout the hairs with your fingers and then a comb or a brush, what that's gonna do is the water and the oil have opposite charges. So when that hair is filled in with the water and the opposite charge of the oil goes around the outside, it's going to lock that water in. It's going to physically keep it there, which is not only great for the hairs, but it's also awesome for the feel and the styling. It gives you that little bit of a boost of hydration. Now, another really important aspect of applying the products to a damp beard and not dry would be that it's gonna spread the product more evenly. If you apply beard balm to a dry beard, that first spot that you put the product on, that beard is just gonna grab all of that product. It could be the balm, it could be the oil, and it's not gonna wanna go to the rest of the beard. But when that beard is evenly damp, you're easily able to get that product throughout the beard so smooth, so evenly. Now, an extra step of benefit when applying balm to a damp beard is that it is not gonna pull those hairs out prematurely. When it's a dry beard, you are definitely gonna get that product on there and it's gonna start tugging at those hairs more aggressively than you would when it's gonna smoothly go through with that damp beard. And that's gonna cause that premature shedding. And we wanna keep those hairs for as long as possible. We don't wanna be pulling and plucking hairs out. All in all, it is a huge upgrade to apply these products to a damp beard. Now, you can do this in a couple of ways. One, right, the most common way for me is I shower in the morning. I get out of the shower, I'm gonna dry my beard to that damp-like state. I like to say it's like 25% damp. Now, how did I get that number? I don't know. I just kind of came up with it. Feels like it's not 50-50. It feels like it's not 0 and dry, so I just kind of say 25. So get out of the shower, dry your beard down, and then apply your products. Now, let's say you are going to bed or you're going out or you don't shower in the morning and you still want to apply products to a damp beard, just simply get your beard damp. You can go to the sink, get some water, run your fingers through it, or my personal recommendation, get a dedicated spray bottle and get some water in there, room temperature again, spray it throughout your beard. Get it on the outside, get it up underneath. That is a really nice and evenly controlled way to get your beard damp. It's not gonna get you soaking wet. It's not gonna have the inconvenience of the sink. Very simple, but a really nice trick to be able to do that. So even with the best products, guys, we can get them better with following some simple rules and tips and tricks. Apply your beard products to a damp beard. If you guys have any questions, please drop it down below. I'd be happy to go back in and answer when I'm able to. And if you have any thoughts, if you have any comments, drop those down as well. And I hope you guys check out the other videos on this platform. So many fantastic tips and tricks and just overall ideas and great vibes. Thanks for watching today, you guys. Please consider subscribing to Volt Lifeproof Grooming if you have not already.